this is Hannah from KSCRAFT. So today I'm going to do a tutorial video for this Sweethearts candy set. So I made a box yesterday, and yeah, so it looks like the Sweethearts candy box that in the real life. And I think this is very cute that you can put your candies or other goodies inside. So you can also make it just into a plain shaker, and you can use clear acetate on both sides so it will see through, or you can make it into a Valentine tag that you can have the to and from or your message at the back side. So I think this is also cute. So for make this box that I made the width as 2 centimeters wide, so you can make it bigger if you want. So for making the box, this is the measurements that you need to cut 2 pieces of cardstock. This one measures like so, and this one measures like this. So first, let's make the box. So first, you need to score it at 1 centimeter at this end. And then 3 centimeters. So 1 centimeter and 3 centimeters, and then score this size at 2 centimeters and 4 centimeters. And then for these ends, score them at 1 centimeters and 3 centimeters on both ends. So it looks like this, and cut it like so. So when you do it, you just need to cut it like this. So when you finished it, cut like this. And then fold them along the score lines. And now stick these two parts here. And put this one as the back side of the box. So this box is ready, and you just need to finish the front side. And here I have die cut all these out. So for this one, cut one time with the foam and cut one time with this front side paper, and then you need to cut this one and also this one. And here is the word sweethearts, and here are the candies that you can put in your shaker part, and also this is the background paper. And then layer this heart on top. And then put acetate paper on the back side. Since you only need to hide this hard part, so you don't need to use cutting die to cut the acetate paper. And now add some sequins inside. And add the sweethearts on top. And I want to add this Be Mine on top. So this is from the Valentine Shadow Word set we released last year. Okay, now stick them on top. So here is the inside. So hope you like this tutorial. Yeah, if you have any questions, please leave me a comment. I will answer you as soon as possible. So thank you for watching. I'll catch you in my next craft video. Have a nice day. Bye bye.